Welcome to the Boss and Leader Catalyst system. This is how to view the details of a 360 feedback response. As you come to this page, as always, at the top, you can ask your virtual assistant any questions you may have. Again, they're highly trained in our models. But you have the details of your specific 360 feedback listed here. The assessed individual, this is probably you, unless you are using our future version of the corporate where it might be a member of your team. Then the form name, again, kept it pretty generic. It just says 360 feedback, but that's whatever the name was when you created it. Then we have a summary of results. For this particular example, we only have one response, so it happens to match exactly with that response. But the summary here would be the average of all scores you received. So it would be an average of 90% to this first question. They create opportunities for open dialogue. And an average of 24%. Wow, this guy Ben really gets some terrible feedback on that one. They effectively communicate their ideas. And on the right, this is just showing you the scale, so the 100. And down below, you see the specific questions. And again, these are the average responses by question. Different view, basically, than what you see in the bar chart above. And then you have a list of individual responses. Here's where the nuts and bolts are of it. So if you've received 50 responses, you'll have 50 rows here. In this case, this guy, Ben Lichtenwallner, who received a response by Ben Lichtenwallner, it's a bit confusing, is just the one right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that one. And here you have the details of that specific response. And you can see, again, review of Ben Lichtenwallner, review by. Again, since I did it as a demo, we're going to see both names there. And then you have specific, again, the total possible is the blue, and the scale or the score that individual has given you feedback on is the orange. If you have questions about it, don't hesitate to ask that AI assistant. They're trained on it. And down below, you have any comments to each of those questions. And that's it. That's how you view detailed responses to your 360 feedback.